Hey guys, so today's role play is homeless woman gets her life back together. I don't think there's gonna be a part 2, so yeah. Now let's get started. Gosh, I don't want to be poor anymore. It sucks being poor. I just want to be rich again. Why did I spend all my money? It was the worst decision of my life. But we're here now. This is kind of scary. Where are we? Whatever, I'm exhausted. And I'm pretty tired. So let's just find a place. Let's open this one. Oh. No. Nope. What is that? Hi. Okay. That was pretty weird. I don't even trust the next one. I'm not gonna open it. I'm a bit skeptical. So let's just open this one. Oh, what is this? Whoa. Oh my god. This place is so nice. There's even a chest. Oh my god. This is so nice. I'm gonna live here. But I'm also gonna open the next one. So let's go. Okay, let's go, I guess. Oh my god, there's some clothes here. I'm gonna get this. And this. And this. Oh my god. Whoops. And this. And this. Oh, and this. And this. For my PJs. Now, let's go. Oh, I have to close this. I have to close this so no one knows. I can't believe I finally got some new clothes. But first, we need to clear that section out. So, let's do that. Let's grab a mini box. We're going to use this one. Yeah, this one. So, we don't really need these, but I probably will keep those for now, I guess. I kind of like this, so I'm going to keep that. And then I'll just keep those up there, I guess. No, I'm just going to keep this away. And now let's go put these away. By the way, guys, I am not using my original pen. I'm just using my brother's. Because he allowed me, so. Let's just put these clothes in here. No one will know. Okay. Well, I'm pretty tired now. I'm just gonna go to bed. But first, let's just organize. I'm gonna wear this. Now we're gonna wear this. Now, I don't really have a sleeping bag, so I'm just gonna have to sleep on this couch, which is okay, but I also want a stuffy. So I'm just gonna go get one pretty quickly. Run, 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 run. Okay, I think it was the first one. I was right. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. And I'm also gonna get this. Then I also kind of want to get this. Never mind, but yeah. I think that's all. Hey, I think I found something. Uh-oh, I have to run. Ew, I just stepped on pylon poop or something. Ew, that was so gross. But, let's just place this right here, because, I don't know. Let's go to sleep right here. Gonna wear this, and my stuffy is gonna be sleeping next to me. Gosh, I'm so tired. Can't believe I'm sleeping on the couch, but, you know, at least I have one. But I'm tired. Let's go to sleep. Oh my god, what time is it? I can't even check because I don't even have a phone. Beep. I'm pretty hot in there. Okay. I need to find a job ASAP. And let's change. So I think I'm gonna wear this. And let's go find a job. Actually, I'm not gonna find a job today. I just kinda wanna rest. But let's organize some stuff. There's an egg costume. Ew. Weird. Gonna put it in there. And then there's an eye costume. But the boxes are really cool, so I'm just gonna dump all those out. And it's so cute that there's a little police officer hat. That's so adorable. But I'm gonna keep that. And then there's a little doctor one and a firefighter one. So adorable. I think it's for kids. Ah, so cute. I'm gonna keep these. These are actually really cute. And guys, sorry if you can't hear me. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to be pretty quiet. So, okay. Oh, let's see what this one is. Whoa, this one's actually really cool, except the costume. I'm gonna keep this one. It's gonna be for decorations. Oh my god, there's a little skateboard. Ah, that's so fun. And there's a little pole here. Okay, I'm gonna go on it. Oh my god, that was so fun. I love this. This is probably gonna be my new house. Until I get my life together. What is this? Oh, it's a little dinosaur. How adorable. Oh, it's so cute. What was that? Oh, it makes a little cute sound. That's so adorable. Okay, that's kind of weird. Anyways, I'm gonna put it right here. Ah, so cute. Maybe I can make a little house for it. Yeah, that would be really cute. Let's see which one is comfortable for it. None of these. So it's gonna be that one. Because it has like a mini blanket on them. Anyways, let's make it a little room. We're gonna get it. Oh, it makes sounds. Oh, it's so cute that it makes sounds, but it's a no. I have to move it. Okay. It's a bunny and it makes sounds. Guys, my brother's pen suddenly stopped working. Never mind, it worked. Anyways. Oh, that's so cute. I could use it as a little candle. And this, it's so adorable. Oh my god, there's a hat. And it's kind of freezing cold. So I'm gonna put it on. Now let's head back. But first, I think I'm gonna get out one last thing. Okay, maybe like this could work. It could be like its blanket. Also, I'm just gonna put it in a different container with a pillow. Now let's close that. Okay, let's move you, Mr. Chomps. We're gonna put you on our skateboard for now. I think this one's so cute because it has like a little egg charm. So we're just gonna use that one. We're gonna move the costume. Sounds like eggs. Yuck. Anyways, I'm gonna put you. We're not gonna put the candle, but we're gonna put the candle near it. And put it right there. So cute. And now we're just gonna add like the blankets for him. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the series. Well, no, part 2 is gonna come, I guess.